First you see this.
The bishop.
Do you want to make a video like this? Let me give you some tips. 1. How to add beats. Tap the music. Tap beats. Add beats as per your requirement. Done. And your beats should be complete. 2. How to make cutout effect. Do as I am doing. Done. 3. How to make shake effect. Done.